Let's imagine I'm organizing a birthday party. I'm going to give the event a title, call it birthday party like this. And all you need to do is work down from top to bottom. So it's an event, not any of these other things that we'll look at a bit later on. I choose a date and a time. I'm going to leave this as it is because I clicked and dragged it where I wanted it. And then I can add guests as well. So I can type email addresses like this, or you can type names and it will find people from your contacts if you have them, or if you're using this for work from inside your business. By default, once you've added some people, Google Calendar will add a Google Meet link here. If you want to, you can remove that by clicking the X on the right-hand side. And if you've got access to Gemini, you might notice an option to turn that on in order to automatically capture meeting notes if it is a meeting. Doesn't count for me here. I'm going to remove that because this is going to be an in-person birthday party. You can add a room or location. So under location, I can type in that we're going to meet at Victoria Station in London like this. And then someone will be able to click on that and go and see that location on a map too and easily get directions. Then I can add a description. Maybe something like this. And I've got options in the description to bold the text, italics, do bullet points and so on. So you can really make it a rich text description with more information if you need to. And you can hyperlink to websites if there's other information that might need to be added. There's also the option just underneath the description to add a Google Drive attachment. And if I click on here, it pops up my Google Drive screen, shows me all of my recent files, and I could click to attach those if I wanted to. Maybe if I had a separate invite on a Google slide or something. Before I save this, let's quickly recap a couple of options that might be important. At the top here, where the time and date is, I can click and have this repeat if I want to. So maybe it's a daily meeting that we have to have at a particular time each day, or if it's a birthday, I might set this to repeat every year. And I can also make this an all-day event if I want to. And let's say I'm inviting people and I'm happy for them to invite other people to this party. Then under guest permissions here, I could click and I can make sure that the option for invite others is checked. That is checked by default on most calendars, but you can change that in settings if you want to. That means once someone's received the invite, they would be able to add someone else to the invite themselves. And at the very bottom here, where it says my name, that's the name of my calendar, I can click and I've got a few more options. The first is whether this shows up as free or busy for other people that look at my calendar. And I can set notifications as well. So right now I'm going to get a notification 10 minutes before. I can add new notifications to help remind me that I've got this coming up. So I might say, send me a notification one day before. Once you're happy with all of the things you've put in the description here, you just click save. It will ask if you want to send the invites to the guests or if you just want them there but don't want them to receive an invite. I've never had a birthday party before, or I've not invited anyone. So I click send, and now that event is on my calendar and that other person will receive an email invite too.